Today I went to mountains nearest our house. Wow, surrounding is very beautiful. When we are young, we used to come here for firewood. Do you remember this place? Hello, Ontu, Bijoy, Iskat, Joyras, Sanjoy. Do you remember this place? Before there was a farming here, but there is no farming because elephant attack have made it impossible to farm. After long time there is no cultivate. Now this land is arable land. Peoples brings cows, goats, buffaloes, sheep, or etc. It brought a eaten grass. Friends, Miskat, he is studying BBA third year in City College. He helps the father in farm and besides the construction work. This is natural tube well. Water always come out of this place. When we are thirsty, we used to drink water. This water is very cold. Hello, Miskat. Let's go to the tea garden. I will show you the full video of tea garden.